goat cheese pizza, take the 20-mile, 3.5-hour trip down the 605 freeway and check out some powerboat racing in Huntington Beach. You got huge monster engines, anti-colored fiberglass, and plenty of babes in bikinis. You don't have to be Wolfgang Puck, you know, that's a recipe for fun. There are these cigarette bugs, and I'm not exactly sure why. Highly likely to burn up and kill you. Someone's gonna flip.
Come on. Show what's happening to your little beak.
It's Sia.
I can't remember the bloody name.
C-E-R-E.
Come here. Show Auntie Roberta. Come on, show Auntie Roberta your sear, because that used to be brown, didn't it, Villa? Villa will tell you. Right, Callie or Tarrant sear used to be brown, which meant that he or she was supposed to be a little girl. So we were going to call her Callie, but you might not be able to see it in detail. Hang on. And that going up, right up close. Hang on. Keep still. No, you can't see it. But trust me.
I'm a doctor.
Yes. But trust me, that brown is going and there's blue spots forming, which means he's turning back into a boy, which means he's Tarrant again. Who are those two? I'm waiting. Come on. Show what's happening to your little beak.
It's Sia.
I can't remember the bloody name.
C-E-R-E.
Come here. Show Auntie Roberta. Come on, show Auntie Roberta your sear, because that used to be brown, didn't it, Villa? Villa will tell you. Right, Callie or Tarrant sear used to be brown, which meant that he or she was supposed to be a little girl. So we were going to call her Callie, but you might not be able to see it in detail. Hang on. And that going up, right up close. Hang on. Keep still. No, you can't see it. But trust me.
I'm a doctor.
Yes. But trust me, that brown is going and there's blue spots forming, which means he's turning back into a boy, which means he's Tarrant again. Who are those two? I'm waiting. Hey? Are you two going to behave yourselves? Because I'm watching you. You hear me? I'm watching you. Do the water need changing? Oh, look. They're sitting right next to each other. you? Oh, look at that. Celery. I think they've noticed. Celery. We know how you love your celery. I think they've settled down now. Did you hear that? She called you stupid animals, didn't she? She called you stupid animals.
They ought to know that I'm not intending to hurt them. I feed them every day, I give them celery, I give them apple. I clean them out every week.
Now.
It's raining all day.
Well, it's going to rain. Going to keep raining. Apparently there's a couple of stupid cavers trapped under Swansea. But they've got food and they've got communication and they know they're down there, so the rescue party are going to get to them.
Well, it's all right as long as it doesn't flood before they get to them. They don't think about all the other lives they put in danger.
You know, you would have thought, rain, bit heavy, best call it off. Reckless loonies. More budgie business. They're looking at it, aren't they? Who's going to go first and spit it all over the floor? Somebody's already dropped a feather.
Yeah, because they went berserk, didn't they? I just put it in their cage and they go berserk.
You shouldn't go berserk when Granny cleans your cage. In fact, what you should be doing is getting on our fingers and